init.
Sobrang init.
Sobrang init.
So what's up guys? Welcome back.
Tayo parking in Robinson.
Yeah, ang hirap makahanap ng parking lot dito guys. Dito pala kami ngayon sa Robinson Main sa Iloilo. Ang hirap makahanap ng parking lot. Bali, pupunta kami ng Robinson para makaprocess na yung passport ni Julia kasi ngayon yung schedule niya na booking na kami kaya ayun, punta na kami dun at medyo bad yung quality guys kasi kalimutan namin yung GoPro.
Yeah. Forgot.
Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami.
We already put every papers, everything, and the one that's gonna go in with her can only bring one person.
Si Ira lang yung makapasok dun guys. So ayun o, lakad-lakad na yan si Ira, papunta na kami sa Robinson. Medyo malayo kami nakapark. Ang hirap kasing maghanap ng parking lot dito guys. It's really hard to find parking lot, no? Huh? Ang init ngayon to guys. Sobrang init. Sa Robinson na guys. Medyo layo-layo din yung nilakad natin. It's there. Almost. Honey, should we hat? Ay, Vincent. Grabing nakakapagod.
Finally, we're here.
Dito na rin kami.
Our
At least medyo malamig.
so it's still a little
Yeah.
like
3 yung namin guys, pero sakto yung dating din namin kasi 2:44 na. Tama din na medyo may gap. So, ayan. Ha, init.
sobrang init.
Sobrang init.
Sobrang init. The elevator.
Yeah, sakay na kami sa elevator. Kapasok na kami guys, pero hindi na ako mag-vlog, baka bawal. Ani? Nandito na kami ngayon sa SM kasi imi-meet namin yung ate ko. Ewan ko bakit. Pero tapos na kaming mag-process ng passport. At si Ulia ay ito. Musa man yung gipalit? Uy, ayun, natulog.
Ayun, kakala ka.
Nandito pala kami ngayon. Bibili lang kami ng drink ng ate ko. Ayun ang ate natin dyan. Treat nila tayo ng drink.
Hello guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. It's so long, no?
Yeah, it's so long.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so right now we are getting someone again. So you remember last time we got someone in the airport. It was my sister, but this time it's someone else. Who it is, we will not tell you until that person is arriving. Okay, guys? But we're going to pick up this person. So we're still excited, no?
But first, we're gonna pick up my sister.
Yeah, we're gonna pick up his sister also because she's at OJT in the Western Hospital. So we're picking up her first. And she wanted to come also, of course. So yeah, we're excited. This person have a long delay, no? Supposed to land 6:20 or so. It's almost 7 and still not. We'll probably be around 40-50 minutes until this person lands because there was such a delay today. But that's okay, we will just be waiting. We will pick up his sister first now, and then we will just go and just wash the car, clean it a little, like just to maintain a nice like that. It's okay there, but yeah, that's the plan, no ba?
So, let's go guys.
Salam na! Gasoline, guys, this is important because our car is so hungry. And it's far to the airport, so we have the gasoline a lot. Maybe we should full tank, no?
Yeah. We will full tank guys. itank na natin guys para hindi na tayo magpabalik-balik ng gasolin.
Ah.
Dito na kami guys. Pipick upin natin yung ate ko doon. Dito
Oh, Western.
Asa na yun? Asa na yung ate natin?
Where's she always? She is disappeared. Uy, we are on the way to the airport now. We're all done, no?
Yeah.
Excited, na?
Daloy.
This is the way. We are in the airport now. Iloilo. We are already here in Iloilo Airport. And we're just waiting for our passenger. And Oles is excited to see her. So, and Varys is parking, I think. We're just trying to find it now. Ala, Malia! Malia! Hi! Hi!
Ayun na, she's from Korea, no?
Yeah. Picture sa tabi. Picture daw pa. Ay. Dali, dali. Ay, dali.
Leia!
Oh, yeah.
Is looking at me.
Hi. La, 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 la.
Leia.
Hi.
Leia. Hi.
Hi.
Leia! Scared.
Hi.
Leia.
Hi.
Hello. Ayun guys. Bumili siya ng MacBook. Hello. Ayan na guys, unboxing. 0970 952. Ay pa ma.
Ano pa ma'am, balinin mo ma'am, signature of your pwede.
Hello.
Thank you sir ma'am.
So what's up guys? Ayun na. Tapos na kami kuha ng MacBook na Era. Dito tayo kakain sa Chips Bulalo. Kasi masarap yung bulalo dito. Ayun o. There's a lot of kinds of bulalo guys. Ayan, dito tayo kakain. Order lang tayo. So ayun guys, nag-take out lang tayo. Kasi sa Jollibee gustong kumain ng ate ko. Ayan sila. Take out lang tayo guys. Nag-drive thru lang kami.
What's this?
We are now back in the house.
Boxes cannot bar carton.
It's just to separate the neighbors.
This one, this one.
Yan alay, mga wala na sunod.
And
Wala nang pampalit.
So we are now back in the house, and my MacBook, guys, look at that. What are you doing? A robbery. Look guys, look guys. Ah, wait, I will show you. Ayo.
Oh my God.
Oh, yung special mo.
Manara laptop ni Jake Mao.
Hello. So, ayun na guys.